Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you some basic solutions for the freezing problem on your MSI laptop. So, the first solution is to just check if your laptop is charged enough. So you can just check it right here. We have 79%, so this won't be the cause of the issue. And the second thing is to just update your drivers, because if, for example, your laptop freezes while you're playing a game, this may be the cause of that. So to check, you can just right click on your Windows icon right here, go to Device Manager, and find your corresponding, for example, part of your laptop and install it like so. For example, you go to Properties, you have the driver here. And I heard from some people that the Device Manager is sometimes faulty on laptops, so you may need to install it directly from your from the provider website. For example, if you have a NVIDIA graphics card in your laptop, you may need to go to their website and download directly. And the second thing, the cause of the issue may be some freezed programs that are running on your PC, on your laptop, and you can find them when you press Ctrl Shift and Escape. This will open the task manager and you will find some info about your PC. And for example, you see 100 somewhere and you are not running any games. This might be the cause of the issue. So for example, if the Microsoft Edge was the not responding one, you can just click on it, right click and end task, and this will end the task that is dragging your PC performance down. And the next solution is to just check for malware. I found that I think that the basic Windows Defender is pretty good at its job if you're just a casual user. So to perform a scan, just click on the arrow icon right here and you'll see the Windows security. So press on that and press on virus and threat protection, and here you'll be able to perform a quick scan or and a full scan right here. If you press the scan options, you'll be able to do that. So that some maybe malware be responsible for the issue. The next thing, you can clean your temp folder, because this may be also the cause of the issue. So to find your temp folder, open your search bar and search for %temp%, and this will open the folder. As you can see, we have some files here, and if we are curious about that, we can also check how many files we have. 80 megabytes. Okay, so that's not too bad, but you can just delete it, and this will also clean some of your storage space. And the next step, which I should put it on first, just try to restart your computer. This is the basic solution for all problems with when you're working computers and stuff like that, headphones, whatever, and this will most likely fix your problem, because it's been in use and since every time. So just try to use it. And the last solution is, I would for example, if your laptop freezes during some gaming sessions, so try to go to power, go to choose a power plan, search for it in your search bar and change plan settings, and you can adjust these settings for your for example, if you want to play games, you would want to set this to performance mode. I believe you can access this setting also in the settings, so we should find that somewhere. Okay, so you have to go to System, And here we should find battery or something like that. Power and battery right here, and we have the power mode, and this was the exact same thing what we found in the control panel. As you can see, we can set it to best performance, and this will prioritize, for example, the FPS and performance in games over the power in your battery. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.